Today, I bought a Lego set off Temu for only $9. Let's see if I got scammed or if it was worth the price. I am a very impatient person, so let's get to opening this thing. The first set I bought was this Transformers Bumblebee set. This set only cost me $9.39 in Canadian dollars on Temu. The cool thing about this set is it could either be Bumblebee, as in the robot, or the car, which I think is a really good deal for only $9. If you want to buy the set, I'll put the link in the description down below. Anyways, let's get back to unboxing this.
So this is the first package we're going to be opening. So right now, I'm making the robot. You guys might be familiar with him, but Bumblebee from from Transformers. I'm gonna be making him first. So he came in this big box. And so, the cool thing about this guy is he can be that Bumblebee or this car. So yeah, I'm first going to be making the car. So instead of coming in separate packages, it comes in one big package. Comes with these instruction manuals. For some reason, it's a little like paper. That's weird. Then it comes with the actual instructions, and these are stickers. So that's everything in the box. So what this has is a bunch of packages. Some packages are small. Like, what is this, bro? It has like 5 pieces. So anyways, I'm going to be starting off this build by starting with the car, and then maybe in another video if I want to make a Bumblebee. Let's start it. Actually, what I'll do is this is just an introduction. In the next clip, I'll make it right in super fast mode, and then I'll say the outro. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. So, yeah, that's it. That was a really long time lapse. It did take me a lot of time, but yeah, this is it.
So my final verdict is I spent $9 for a Lego set off Temu. What I expected was a Lego car that can transform into a robot. And it was almost exactly what I had bargained for. Like, it blew my expectations. The only difference that I'm a little disappointed in is that it doesn't transform. You have to make one or the other. But I did get a steal, so I don't think I got scammed. I also did do the measurements, and it was the same size that it said, of 9 inches, and the brick quality is actually really good. So I'll be leaving the link in the description if you want to buy it. And while you're down there, please like the video and subscribe. It's completely free and it helps out a ton. You can also change your mind whenever you like. And this is my first video, so please let me know what type of content you guys want to see and if I should do more Temu Lego sets in the future.